All right, today we're pouring curb. We're actually excavating for curb, forming for the curb, and we'll be pouring it on this sports court. A little bit of an issue with regards to accessibility. We want to get the curbing in so that we can, yeah, it's going to be at the press curb. And by being the press curb, it just means that, the asphalt is going to be flush with the top of the curve. So it's at the press curb. So today, as you can see, we're running the excavator. We've set up our laser. We're running with no slope, 100% flat. Sports courts are a 1% slope and they have to be in one direction, right? So you cannot have it like a rooftop, okay? If you were, you'd have to make sure that that divide would be between a said court. But we're running everything at 1%. This is 117 feet. And at 117 feet, we have a 14-inch fall or a 14-inch climb with 1%. So the curbing is getting excavated, putting in a little bit of a stone base. And as you can see, we're spotting materials, running plate compactors. And the challenging part's going to be getting the concrete into the actual forms later on. So we're going to be setting up with the buggy. So we'll be running the concrete buggy to get the material into the curb. It's not a great situation, but due to the fact that we had to put a bridge in and we could have plated over this and did it, but for the amount of footage, I think we're just under 200 feet. It wasn't suitable or feasible for us to do so. So therefore we're doing it that way. So we got our guy with our grade stick and he's working with the excavator to establish the elevation to make sure that we're running a continuous 18-inch depth curb